Revell 1/25th scale 77 Pontiac Firebird Trans Am Smokey and the Bandit edition scale model kit. We're gonna open the box today. This is skill level 4. It says it has 89 parts with it. Probably ones that are like have drag and custom versions would probably have more parts, like 100 or 120. But this is a one version, Smokey and the Bandit. You know what you're thinking? A lot of Smokey and the Bandits out there. We're not going to do Smokey and the Bandit. We're going to do, can you see that? Hooper. Now, Hooper wasn't a T-top car, but I think because of the jet engine in the back, that I probably have a rocket toy or something I can put back there. Makes them a little more prominent than what was in the movie car. I'll have a T-top. This is a T-top, so we'll keep it T-top so you can see the detail of the jet engine while it's, inside the car. But this is great. Look at this. I haven't bought a Revell kit in probably 20 years. In fact, I'm just working on my second scale model right now, the Gremlin, in 20 years. Getting back into the hobby. But I just thought I'd share these unboxing videos. So if you're on the internet looking around for your next kit, you know what's in it. You can always get that info. It's all one piece. That's all right, though. It's good detail on the firewall. Those giant GM engine shrouds are correct. It's a nicely detailed chassis. Of course, the shaker. Let's set that out. Let's set it out so you can see everything. Okay, remember? Looks good. Great detail. Really good detail, I'd say. I'm not going to open the glass yet. Looks like paint like the stoplight red for the tail lights there. There's Stuart. Hi, Stewie. What else we got? The whole top end of the motor, looks like. Yeah, they got the heads and the intake all in one there. Looks like. We're not going to use that exhaust. No cats. We're not going to do any cats on this car. We'll do a decent exhaust. I might use this cross flow muffler though. Good front cover detail. Looks good. Probably build the motor mostly stock except for that exhaust because, the real trick is in the jet engine. I don't know how my background is. I'm throwing this video up real quick. Shaker. A classic 77, 78 style front end. Let's see what we do as far as a custom interior. Probably just need like 2 racing buckets. Oh, look at that. Door panels, separate. We'll figure out what to do with that because I'm sure probably have to watch the movie again, which I have, to see what the interior really looked like. I know they had like a gauge stack to monitor gauges for the engine to boost up. GM car, so the fender wells and everything will be black. I don't know if I'll do an AC delete. I mean, you know, Hooper did take place in Southern California, and it's hot there. A couple of stuntmen in safety gear jumping over a canyon in a rocket car. Might appreciate some AC. And I'm saying this assuming that you people watching this video know what Hooper is. If you don't, Hooper was, Burt Reynolds did Hooper between Smokey and the Bandits 1 and 2. And it had Jan Michael Vincent, James Best, who you best know as Roscoe P. Coltrane in it, and directed by the great Hal Needham of Stunts Unlimited. It was basically, the movie was just them, probably just like a week in their life. And it ended with a rocket-propelled Trans Am jumping a giant gorge for, I mean, the end movie scene is just spectacular. It's something to be seen. If you don't want to watch the whole movie, which I recommend you do because it's a fun movie, at least watch the rocket car jump, or the whole end thing. Excuse me. Here's our decals, Screaming Chicken. Of course, we're going to use all these decals, except they'll be on red instead of black, just to give the whole 70s feel. No honeycomb rims though. We're gonna do I'll have to dig and see what kind of rims I got, because the Hooper car had like a chrome truck style rim on it, a steel rim, probably more durable for doing all the stunts that they did in that movie. I'm guessing aluminum snowflake rim would fracture, the steel rim bends, a little more forgiving. All right, here's our instructions. There's other things you could do with it too. You could do a Rockford Files Trans Am. I mean, the Trans Am was so ubiquitous in 70s movies. The Driver, the beginning of Thunderbolt and Lightfoot. Jeff Bridges, is it Jeff Bridges or Bo Bridges? I think it was Jeff Bridges. Steals that Trans Am off the dealer parking lot. There's also an Imperial in that movie, like a 72 or 73 Imperial. And if anyone watching this video knows of where I can obtain a C-body Chrysler 68 to 73 fuselage style 1/25th scale model, that'd be great, because I'd love to build one of those. I just can't seem to find one. So there you have it, Bandit Edition. 1977 Firebird Trans Am from Revell, 1/25th scale model. Thanks for watching.